Hey, welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through AI Skills Fest last day. Today is the last day of completing the course from this Skill Fest organized by Microsoft. As you can see, today is 12th of June. And as mentioned in my earlier videos, if you have completed the one of the courses from the featured playlist out of these five IT data and security profs, developers, business professionals, educators and students and executives, if you have completed any course from this playlist, you will see that you find on the home page this unlock section of check what's unlocked, right? And there you have to click on this and fill the form and you will be eligible to receive the voucher. So what I have done is I have completed this course called using Copilot's agent server. As you can see, it is 100%. So if you have not enrolled any featured playlist course, I encourage you to do so under these theme playlist. And once you're enrolled into the playlist, you have to go to skilling playlist section and the course will come right here. As you can see, I have completed this course. As I click on it, it shows the progress is now 100%. I have completed today only, and now I am eligible to get the voucher, right, or the registration form. So yeah, it's 100% completed. What you need to do now is go to the AI Skills Fest onto the home page under this video banner. Just click on check what's included and another page will open up, which is the ultimately the form, right? AI Skills Fest, claim your certification exam voucher form. You have to fill your name, let's your names, your last name, and then you have to provide your email address, okay, and then country, region, and then this playlist form. And I have completed from educators, sorry, I have completed from business professionals, and then this course. So whichever course you have filled on the featured playlist, you have to select that details in this form, and then you have to select the date. No, it says that it limits one voucher per person regardless of the number of skilling playlist completed. So it is very important. You can get only one voucher if you have completed one playlist, only one course only, right? You, it does not mean that you can complete more than one and you will receive more than one voucher. So it's only one voucher per person. Then you have to click on submit, and then you will be able to receive the certification form. So as you can see, the deadline for filling the form is 12th of June, 12 p.m., which is today. It's not 7 p.m. And you have roughly around 5 hours to complete this form and eligible to receive the voucher. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video on last day so that all of you who have not yet completed the course from the featured playlist and also have not explore this section of check what's included, you can do so now. There are 5 years left, so yeah, clock is ticking. And thank you for watching.